Hello, I'm going to cook a breakfast item for you today. Selamat datang, namaskaram, and welcome to Rempah Ratus Kitchen. For those of you who work or have a million things to do in the morning and who are also breakfast people, well, I've just the recipe for you. It is a cheese and onion omelette bread toast or sandwich. This recipe requires minimal ingredients. It is easy on the wallet. It is also tasty and nutritious. It therefore checks all the boxes necessary for a quick breakfast recipe for busy people. What is even better is that this sandwich can be eaten at any time of the day. So, shall we dive into the video? Shall we make the cheese and onion omelette bread toast? I've got 2 eggs here. One yolk broke while I was breaking in the eggs. Now, the first thing is to whisk the eggs. I'm going to add a little bit of milk to this egg. Just a wee bit. Yeah, that's fine. I'll beat it until it becomes frothy. I'm going to add salt and pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. And I've got a little bit of chili flakes. The chili flakes is also to your taste. You can increase it if you like to have more heat in your omelette. That should do. I'm going to keep this aside. Now I have this bread here. I don't know what to call it. It looks like a fat panini. Now you can use any bread you like. You can use a big slice of bread or a panini. I'm going to utter the bread. The other ingredients we need are about 1/4 of an onion cut into crescent shapes and a slice of cheese. This is cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese you like. You can use sliced cheese or you can use grated cheese. It's up to you. Shall we start? My pan is on a low to medium flame. The first thing is to toast the bread. Let's see if the bread is toasted. Yes, it's toasted. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to put the fire to low and remove the bread slices. I'm going to add a little bit of butter to the pan. The fire is on low. The next step is to make the omelette. Pour the egg mixture. Then we will mop up the excess egg. Place these 2 pieces of bread next to each other. Leave a bit of space in the middle. And wait for the omelette to cook underneath. The fire is on low. Now I'm going to add the cheese and the onion. It's up to you. You can increase the amount of onions or you can decrease it. we'll just fold this in. I'm just going to put off the fire for the time being so that I can work with this omelette. The idea is to fold this now. The next thing is to flip this over and cover the other piece of bread. And now we will tidy up, put the edges in, hold the corners. Put the fire on low. The fire is on low, so we'll just press it and wait for a little while so that the heat will melt the cheese. The cheese is melting. We'll flip it over. Let's flip it over. Press it down. And I will turn off the fire, but leave this so that the cheese will continue to melt. So once more, flip it over once more. Okay. And now remove it onto a plate. There we are. Our cheese and onion omelette toast. Let's have a look. Look at it. Look. Well, can you see? The cheese has melted and it's perfect to have for breakfast. What an easy and quick recipe this is. Please do try this at home, and when you do, not only provide me with your feedback, please send me a photograph of the dish that you made. Please like and share this video with your family and friends, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Until I see you again next Sunday with a new recipe, thank you, stay safe and bye.